Okay, we have another lesson for today. Still a continuation of our lesson last night.
So, it's
Okay.
100?
Just, Kuya, move a bit here, Kuya.
Mama, what's 1,000?
1,000.
1,000.
Oh, 1,000. How many zeros?
1,000.
Tatlong zero. That is 1,000. Isang
Buha.
libo.
1,000. One. 1,000. Isa.
Okay, like that. But we will not, our lesson is another one, not numbers. Okay?
I want
So,
to know
what was this one? Ano?
what?
Okay, what? Very good. How to introduce your name?
Kumusta ako si Dave?
How to make it polite?
Po,
Ako.
kumusta po?
Po, ako po si...
No, it's kumusta po?
Oh yeah, you can say, kumusta po? Ako po si...
Ako si Dave.
Ako po si...
Ano? Dave. Ako po si Dave.
Okay, now. What is... How to say... What's the name of your mom?
Ano?
Okay, ano?
Ang
Okay.
Pangalan?
Okay, pangalan?
Si iyong
si nanay. Nang nanay.
Ano ang pangalan?
Nang nanay.
imong nanay.
You will add ng, okay? And then what is your
Nanay.
iyong
Dalay.
mama or nanay? Okay, nanay is mom.
Imong is Bisaya ah.
Okay. In Bisaya, this is imong. This one is in Filipino, you will use iyong. Okay? What's name of nang is like of, you know?
What is the
Your
name of your
mom. Okay? Ano ang pangalan ng iyong nanay? So how do we answer this?
Ako. Ako.
No, you answer this. What's the name of your mom? Ano ang pangalan ng
Ano
iyong nanay?
ang pangalan?
So you can actually start here. Pangalan ng ang, so you can actually say what is being asked? Pangalan ng nanay. Ang pangalan ni, you can use ni, nanay, I, so I is, okay, that is, okay? Is Judy. Like that, okay? Or you can say, ang pangalan ng nanay ko ay si Judy. You can also say it like that. Okay? Ang pangalan ng, another way to say it is, ang pangalan ng nanay ko. Okay, you can say it like that. The name of ng nanay ko, my mother, is, what is again? Joshi? I, Judy. See? You can answer it like that. Ang pangalan ng nanay ko ay Judy. Another way to say that was, ang pangalan ang pangalan ni nanay ay Judy. Okay? So, this one is the most common one. How to answer this one, ha? This question. So, Joshi, how to say, my mom's name is Judy. You don't have to memorize. So, you say me? One more time, babe. How to say? Ang pangalan ng nanay ko ay, my mom's name is
Judy.
Okay, in Tagalog, what is that again? Ang
Ang pangalan ko.
Ko is
Nang ko.
okay, nang
Iyo.
nang
Aking.
oh, you can also use aking nanay, ang pangalan ng aking Joshi, you watch here, Josh. Ay Judy. Okay? You read again, Josh?
Ang pangalan ng aking nanay ay Judy.
So, if we are going to transform this into a question, how to say it? What is the name of your mom? In Tagalog? Huh? Ano? Because ano is what? So, ano? You just add, ano ang pangalan ng nanay mo? Pina! Babe, to translate, how do we translate this to into question? What's the name?
Ano ng pangalan?
Ano? You can just put ano. And then you continue.
Ano ang pangalan
Ng
ng
Nanay?
iyong nanay?
oh, you can say ng iyong nanay or ng nanay mo. Is that difficult? Babe? Can you do we have to review that? No? No? Okay, this one. What is kapatid?
Sibling.
So this one is your sibling. If we are going to make this a plural, Dave, how to make this as a plural, kapatid? How to make this as siblings? We will use the plural marker.
Mga kapatid.
Okay, this one is nga. That's how to pronounce it, okay? Mga. So, siblings, we say mga
Magkapatid.
mga kapatid. Okay? Joshi? Siblings is mga kapatid. So, mga is a plural marker to make the word plural. Okay. What is ilan again?
How much? How many?
How many? Okay. What is how much?
How many? How much?
What is how much? Magkano? Magkano is how much? Okay, this one na. Pwede. Ilan is how many? Magkano is how much? Okay. What is kapatid again? What is magkapatid?
Sibling.
Siblings, brother and sisters. So, ilan? Ilan kayong magkakapatid? Okay, you read of it together?
Ilan kayong magkakapatid?
Okay.
How many
do you have?
how many siblings do you have?
So, how many siblings do you have? Okay. What is kayo again? We discussed this in our previous lesson. Kayo?
Them.
Them or just singular.
So, you all, and when you're asking kumusta po kayo, it can be a singular. Okay? For kayo. So, When you're asking a question like, how are you? To a singular person, you can use that. You can use kayo. Okay? But kayo is you all. Kayo. You are not included, the speaker, only them. Okay? Okay, I want to review quickly on the personal pronouns. Okay? How about this one? This is you, ha? Okay, this is you. How to draw?
Extra.
Okay, this is Josh. Okay? The pronoun here is ako. Okay? Okay, now. This is Josh pointing at them.
Kayo.
So, this one is
Siya.
sila. Okay? That means Joshi is not included. Okay? Not included. Sila. Okay? So, you will use sila if you are the third, if you're talking to another person here. Okay? If you're talking to another person, to address this one, you will use sila. Is it confusing? Kinda. Now, this guy, okay, Joshi, when he was talking to Dave, and this one is group, another group, Joshi refers to this group as sila. Okay? But what if Joshi is talking to this group A and referring to their group only? He is not included. So for example, this is Josh, this is Dave. Okay, Dave, Josh, and Joshi was talking to them. Okay? So he will use kayo. Okay? So because kayo, that means Joshi is not included, but Joshi was talking to the group A. Okay? Still confusing? Okay, let's discuss this in another time, okay? Let's just stop there first and then let's discuss pronouns in another lesson. Right?